Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna be cleaning up this bike. I'm not sure if y'all seen, but I posted a video buying this bike or whatever. But I'm gonna break it down for y'all on how to get this bike right so y'all can sell it. So yeah, hope y'all follow me through this and learn from me. All right, first things first, I got my cleaning supplies. Got some muck off stuff. Got some secret sauce and then some Dollar Tree stuff. So you see this bike dirty as shit. A lot of this can be cleaned up though. Like this is just sticker residue. I'll get to that after. This is my tripod. Let me grab that. Yeah, looks like this is, these might just be stickers. Never mind, but it feels like the suspension is done, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, they got Boyson covers on it, FMF, things like that, aftermarket radiators. You see a lot of this shit definitely needs screws and stuff. It's on rear fender too. That too. But we got all that, so I ain't worried about that. I can get that done. Under the motor, we got a lot of work to do. I didn't see it all because there was a skid plate, as you can see right there. These are the mounts for the skid plate. But yeah, oh, there's one right here too. And fuck, do I get this out? Dumbass mounts out. Now we can get all underneath everything like that. I'm gonna hit it up. Use that little Joan. We should be all clean after that. Alright, I know it still looks hokey, but look how clean we got everything. Whole motor clean. I'm gonna get a new cover probably. What else did I do? You see the hubs, brake calipers, the forks. All nice and shiny, the frame, nice and cool. I took off the rear fender because it's almost held on by zip ties, but don't look like I got the air filter too wet, which is good. These are held on by zip ties too. Frame pretty clean, calipers, like I said, the hubs, like I said. Showing the front, all in the motor, and of course, like I said, I'm gonna get new plastics and everything, so I'm not too worried about this. I also gotta get a kickstart rebuild kit because this ain't good. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Look way better. Of course, it looks shitty with the fender off, but fuck it. Alright, last step of the rebuild. We're just getting everything on. As you can see, it looks way better so far. Get to it real soon. Take off the seat, put the rear fender on, everything like that. And then y'all see we'll have a complete bike. Back on and all. But yeah, man, this bike for sale if y'all want it. It's just my first full rebuild bike, so you know, the surprise. But I definitely did my thing on it for sure. I'm not worried about that. B-Force 4R reeds, FMF exhaust, 3 class, stock back jump. I would say a kickstart rebuild kit. Definitely want that jump. I have that jump. Yes, sir. Hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what y'all think. And if y'all want to buy it, hit my Instagram right here. Let me know. This bike is for sale, like I said. Come get it, man. For sale, 2016 YZ125. Just did a full rebuild on the bottom end. This bike's a champ. Got B-Force 4 reeds. Everything else is pretty stock. The suspension has been done by factory connection. And that's pretty much it. First kick, of course. that.